Good morning, everyone. Today we have another topic. Today we are going to discuss about verbs. What are the fundamental categorization of verbs? We have already discussed what is a verb. Verb is an action word in a sentence. Verb shows an action and we cannot write even a single sentence without using verb. Today we are going to discuss from today onwards. We are going to discuss about verbs and their categories. And our first category is transitive and intransitive verbs. Today we are going to discuss about what is a transitive verb and what is an intransitive verb. So there are two types of verbs, transitive and intransitive verb. First of all, we are going to discuss about transitive verb. So what is a transitive verb? A transitive verb is a verb which require an object to complete the meaning. So a transitive verb always need an object to complete the meaning. So a transitive verb always need the help of an object to complete its meaning. So without an object, its meaning is not complete. For example, she read. So in this sentence, she read, it is not complete without saying what. She read what. So if we write she read a story, so it is a complete sentence. So the verb read needs an object to complete its meaning. And when read gets an object, that is a story. The word a story, it gives a complete meaning. So transitive verb always takes an object to complete meaning. We can see several examples. I will give you a chart of both transitive verb and intransitive verb. So another type of verb, we have discussed the transitive verb. Now it is time to discuss about intransitive verb. When verbs need an when verbs does not need or does not require an object, it is said to be the verb said to be intransitive. So intransitive verb is a just opposite of transitive verb. In transitive verb, a verb always needs or a verb always require an object to complete meaning, but in intransitive verb does not need the help of an object. For example, the ship sank. The ship sank. The baby is sleeping. He has arrived. So in these sentences, the ship sank, the meaning is complete. The verb sank. And another example, he has arrived. He has arrived. So verb does not need an object to complete its meaning. And another example, the baby is sleeping. Here also the meaning is completed. So 2 times, 2 ideas. So the first one is transitive verb. Transitive verb means when a verb does need or require the help of an object to complete its meaning. For example, she read a book. She read a book. But in the case of intransitive verb, the verb does not require the help of an object or something else. The verb is complete in itself. For example, we have already discussed the ship sank. So the verb sank is we can say it is in transitive verbs. We can say it is intransitive verb. Another example, the baby is sleeping. Here, he is sleeping. Sleep is a verb. We are always used in intransitive verb. So these are the differences between transitive verb and intransitive verb. And I will give a list of verbs, transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. And also we should know that some verbs are used in both. They are used transitive and intransitive. So some verbs are used in both ways. I will give you examples for that verbs. Thank you.